Recording in progress.
We just create a console project next, and put it in a I, I want would like oh, go to Excel, into our the let's say 8 create. I want to output the not this one. Let me just close this guy. No bin database. No guy. I don't want this. I want to get this guy. Yeah, I'll put this guy product to Excel. So I try still creating. Yeah, it's a bit slow. Wait, what's this guy down? I have to close this guy down. Oops. They close this one too. Yeah, hopefully run faster. Oops. Take a while. HTT is like that. People forget about HTTP. Yeah, that's why it's so slow. Let's see, wait for it. I think your create was just a bit slower. Maybe across this guy. Yeah, and let's say run faster. Okay, came out. So what am I going to do is I want to come here and then and that's okay. So power. So I want to actually ask this guy to write a function to export a SQL no win database products to an Excel. I right click this guy. Yeah, I will ask Copilot to write for me. And paste this guy in here. Let's see. Okay, I have the let's see whether it works out as a established. Okay, so what the click over here. I will come to here. Now, oops, here. And this guy, load the suggestion now it says, so then find latest in info. Right, it's going to install the Microsoft Data SQL client. Okay, and now see data table. I see data. I don't know what is this, so let's try. Uh, I think I have to. Is it him? Yeah. I find I go EP plus and should let's do this and not so sure if it's working. And I need to change the connection string again. Installing. Uh, okay. Looks okay. So let's just replace this guy a bit. Paste it. Okay. Okay, let me try to run it and see if I can run. Balik. Okay, compiling, running. Maybe that's it. To oh, the database is wrong. Right? So I should put no bin here. Let's try again. Nothing. Save and run. Uh, okay, it's saying that you need a license for that. Okay, it doesn't really work well, but anyway, let's try again other package. Okay. Uh, I just need a license. Let me find another package. Yeah, try to use another library. Okay, so now I come here. Okay, I try to use your endpoint. This is so, but here it's not working. Try. Okay, looks okay. Mm, Connection string. Okay, let's try. Run. Looks okay. We come in here. We go test. We go. Mhm, mhm, mhm. We go. Okay, so in back. Mhm. Well, it works.